Okay, so you will need 3 pipe cleaners the same colour, and you are going to get 3 beads. They don't have to be the same colour, but it's kind of cool. So you want to put the 3 ends through the bead and then pull it down halfway, okay? And you want to do that with 3 beads. So pulling it down halfway, and this is going to become the body of your pipe cleaner person. All right, now the next thing you want to do, because you only have 2 legs, right, not 3, so you want to bend that middle leg back up to the top. Then you want to bend out 2 arms like that, and then the top 2, we are going to grab a pen. I've already drawn it, little fine liner, a wooden bead. I do have one this size, one a bit smaller, and you can draw your little face on there, however you want to make your expression, and then put the 2 pipe cleaners through, 2 of them, and then pull it down. Leave yourself a little bit of a neck. And then you can style this into hair or a hat. You can fold it back up on itself. You can give it a cool hairstyle. I'm going to do pigtails on mine. All right, now we have very long arms. So I'm going to put a bead on, and then I'm going to, for the hand, and then I'm going to bend and twist. So grab the bead and twist it. And there's one arm. Generally, if you're an average person, your arms and legs are not the same length. Your legs are usually a little bit longer, right? So leave your legs a little bit longer. Put this on for the feet. Make sure you bend it up so the foot doesn't fall off. And twist. Bend and twist. All right, so just recapping. 3 pipe cleaners. They all go through here. You spray them out, and then you put 1 pipe cleaner pointing up to the top. You thread 2 onto the head, and then you bend the others out for arms and legs. Then you can do cool dance moves, bending the shoulders. You can make yourself a microphone out of paper. You can make cool clothes. I've got some fabric scissors there. You can use anything on the Christmas Craft Centre to make them accessories, and I even have some bit of coloured Play-Doh so that you can add them to your feet, and then you can make your person stand up and do some funky dancing.
Funky dancing?
Yep, these are optional, or you can just you could even, if you want to turn it into a Christmas ornament, you could grab some ribbon and hang it from a ribbon to hang it on your Christmas tree. Okay,